we have to replace incorrect term in this series with correct term, and there's a hint is given that the odd terms and even terms follow the same pattern. That means there are two sequences here. These are the options. So we'll separate out the even sequence and odd sequence. The first term is 3, so 3 is here. Then second term is 7, so 7 is here. So in this manner up to 43 is the odd sequence, and even sequence is 2, 4 till 40. These are the even numbers, so we have separated them out. Now let's see the pattern. So now let's consider even sequence. Difference between first and second term 2 and 4 is 2. Then second term and third term, that is 4 and 10, difference is 6. And in this manner, if you see, for all these terms, it is increasing by plus 2, except for this place. Here it is plus 4. Now consider the second sequence, odd sequence. So difference between these two is 4. Then next two, that is 7 and 13, is 6. 13 and 21, it is 8, and so on. So here if you see, difference is constant 2. So the problem is here at this part. I'll erase this. Here if you put 0, so difference between first and second term will be plus 4. And if you compare these two, now they are same. So that means if we replace first term by 0, the sequences are in same pattern, and our answer is option A.